guys, it is Bailey Edwards here again with another video, and today we are going to be doing a Morphe mini haul. So being in quarantine or whatnot, I did what probably most of you did, shop for makeup, shop in general. So today I'm going to show you guys what I got from Morphe. And the first thing that I'm going to pull out is this individual bag. This brush is the M441 brush. Let's take the rest of this stuff out of this box and see what other goodies we have in here. I don't know about y'all, but I get so excited when I get new makeup. We have this Just a Crush Artistry palette. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can always count on Morphe to come through with the eyeshadows, and they are affordable. So this next brush I got was this M501 brush, and this is a pointed blending brush. So this is one of the palettes that I was super excited about. The 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I know this palette came out like before I got it, I know that, but I needed to see what you guys thought of it first before I committed to buying this palette. So let's get that open. Oh my gosh, it's just the design of it. It's just, I just told you guys how much I love oranges, orange colors, and look at this palette. There are a lot of pinks and oranges and golds and even some lime greens in this palette. So the next Morphe palette I got, and I do own her first palette as well, this is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette volume 2.
And oh my gosh.
This package, look how fierce Jaclyn Hill looks on this. Like, you gotta love when they put effort into the aesthetic of things. Feast your eyes on those beautiful colors. Summer might be canceled, but that does not mean we have to be busted and disgusted inside, does it? Honey, I am going to be making so many looks, creating so many looks with those palettes. We have our 35R Ready Set Gold palette. How can you live your life at all in summer without a nude kind of gold palette? You can't. You just can't do it. You need this. Oh, and I love it when you're opening it, it says blend the rules. Pun intended. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look how beautiful that is. You cannot go into summer without an eyeshadow palette like this. They're all the golds and the browns and the nudes. Like, you need this. This is like, you can create so many looks from this palette. This will be a really good nude palette to have. I suggest you get this. This is the E6 Premium Flat Buffer Brush, and I got this brush to blend out my contours. And what I loved about this brush is that the bristles of this brush were already brown. So are contours. I mean, why not, right? And I also got the small Chisel Blush brush. This is the M403 brush. Looks great, right? So this All I Want eye brush set was actually on sale. It comes with like a cute little pouch that you can keep your stuff in. This is a 6-piece brush collection. These are all the new brushes that I ordered today, minus the set that is still in the mail. And you know, I ordered that at a later date anyway, so like after I placed this order, I ordered something else. So let's go ahead and address another elephant in the room. My twisties are gone and I look like a whole snack right now, if I must say so myself. Anyway, this is the rest of this makeup haul from Morphe. I literally just got my box in the mail today, So I wanted to go ahead and finish this up for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right back into this video. Let's finish it up. Okay, I'm sorry, I know, I'm late. Actually Morphe had like a sale, so I went back and ordered some more stuff, and things have been coming like randomly, so I had to wait until I got everything in so I could finish filming this video for you guys. And I'm sorry if you can hear my cranky dog behind me. The cat keeps fooling with him and he's not happy about it. First up that I'm pulling out of the box is this Stella Impact highlighter palette. I am super excited about this because if you guys have watched any of my other videos, and you know, if you haven't, go ahead, subscribe, watch a few more videos, stick around. I think we get along just fine. Well, anyway, you guys know how much I love a good highlighter. And why not have several good highlighters? Ooh, galactic. Oh yes, honey, I am going to enjoy the hell out of this. I love this highlighter so much that I think I am going to pop some on now. Oh yes, honey. Now, I already had some highlighter on, but this is giving me life. This is giving me disco vibes. I am obsessed. I cannot wait to dive more into this highlighter palette. Now, if you are a makeup lover like myself, or you're just getting into makeup, everyone knows that eyeshadow is like this constantly evolving thing. So I have really been working on like my eyeshadows and stuff lately, and I ordered some more brushes. Not that I needed them, but I wanted them. Okay, we got some paper. We don't need that. And these brushes come individually packaged. Guys, I am so excited to get to this pencil brush. Like, the precision of a pencil brush is immaculate. Oh, look at that. I am going to be killing hella looks with that. Fingers crossed. I have quite a few of these angled brushes slash spoolie connecting type brushes, but I mean, can you ever have enough? These are like the best eyebrow brushes. I don't know, like right now I'm obsessed with my Kiss double-ended spoolie thing. This one, but I don't know, maybe this one is gonna give it a run for its money. Who knows? Ooh, I forgot about these brushes. I got this 4-piece eye brush collection. Ooh, y'all, look at the precision of this blending brush, and it's like really small. Actually, let me like bring it right here. It's really small, so like I have almond shaped eyes, and that is really gonna help me like increase my eyeshadow game, because honey, eye shape matters. Like when you find out your eye shape, that's the best thing that you could possibly ever do for yourself. Because I mean, you can't like I mean you can, but you can't like base your eyeshadow looks, like your personal eyeshadow looks, off of somebody with monoloid lids or someone with actual lid space. Your girl, like I'm looking straight up at the camera, your girl ain't got no lid space, okay? So I gotta do what I gotta do. I have been like going insane crazy lately with these eyeshadow palettes, and like I said, I have been kind of sticking to what I know. I only ever do like boring nude looks, this, that, and the other, but I'm gonna play in some color. In 2020, I'm gonna do some dangerous stuff. I'm gonna like do oranges and reds, and ooh, that purple look I just did, that was out of my character. I like to do it on clients, but as far as myself, not so much. Okay, so this is the 18F Talkin' Flirty palette. Morphe, of course, because this is a Morphe haul. But I ordered this palette because I loved all the purple shades that were over here off in this corner. There's some pinks, some like one or two pastels, and some browns. So I feel like this is a very good summer spring kind of palette. Like, I'm really not doing anything in any particular order. I'm just pulling things out of the box. I like doing this. I like talking to you guys like this. It's just really loud. I live in an apartment complex. It's really loud. Our neighbors have children above us. We live next door to some college-aged kids. Also, shouldn't call them children, some college-aged young adult people like ourselves. And my husband, like, he likes to talk to me while I'm shooting for some reason, which is what I'm always doing, voiceovers. Anyway, back to the video. Oh, and if you guys want to know what is in my wine glass right now, I am a Pinot connoisseur. I love wine, but Pinot Noir is the absolute best. And this is Klaus de Beauce. It's French, and I can't really pronounce it that well, so sorry. Okay, so I got some brushes on top here. Ooh, this mini duo blender brush, and I got this, guys. Do you guys also have trouble with your contours? Like when you're blending your contour out and you want that really sharp definition right there, it's like when I start blending, I'll be blending my life away and then it's messed up or it's blurred down here in that area, and it's like, WTH, like, are you kidding me? And then you gotta go in with your concealer and fix it and all that good nice stuff. Nobody wants to do that. So I got this brush. It's very, very precise, so I'm super, super excited about that. Feels pretty nice. Doesn't have a weird smell. I know, like, a lot of the brushes that I ordered off of Amazon, they come with some funky smells. Do you hear me? Like, I mean, you're supposed to, I guess you're supposed to wash your brushes anyway when you get them, you know? Who has time for breakouts? Well, I also ordered this brush here to help with my contour. A detail contour brush. And these two brushes together are going to have my cheekbones looking so fleekish. Okay, I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, it's so small. I'm going to be able to really get into the hollows of my cheeks with this brush. This is definitely something I am going to recommend if you want to get on the highlight contour train. You need something this thin and this dense to help you out. Oh, some translucent brow setting gel. Okay, so I decided to give brow setting gel a try, you know, because I've been putting gel in my brows. You can put it in your hair, you can put it in your brows. I've been using, actually I think I have it right here. This is some Echo styling gel, and I like to put it on my brows. I mean, yes, it takes forever to dry, and you have to, like, do this at the end of your makeup and, like, not touch your brows for like 7-8 minutes. But this stuff, I mean, this stuff actually makes me look like I have brows. So I don't know, we gonna try this out. We gonna try it out, and I am gonna let you guys know exactly what I think of it. Okay, some consistency, got some little consistency to it. I thought it would be watery. It's a little, it's gel-like. Alright, I'm gonna give it a try. That's all I can do. I'm gonna give it a try, and then I'm gonna let you guys know. So I probably got y'all out there putting gel on your brows, and if I do, you should already be liked and subscribed to this channel. Fall into Frost 35F palette. This is a lot of shimmers. Literally 28 of the shades are shimmer shades. So all up in this here area are shimmer shades. And just the bottom row are matte shades. I love Morphe, which is why I decided that Morphe would be my very first makeup haul on this channel. So guys, that is everything that I got from Morphe. I I really hope that I was able to inspire you or help you out a little bit with what I went over and what I decided to order. Like, I can't believe I'm finally doing this because I wanted to start my YouTube channel back in 2015. I was actually super inspired by Tiara Walker, and she started her channel I think back in 2015. To think where I could be today if I did what I wanted to do in my heart. So if you're out there and you're like, dang, I'm on YouTube all day anyway, I watch YouTube all day anyway, start your channel. You know, develop your niche. You never know what you could have in common with people out there. So that is the end of this video. I seriously cannot thank you guys enough for all the love and support and all the positive vibes that I have been getting. This has been such an experience so far, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds for us. If you have not already, please like, subscribe, and comment. Definitely hit that notification button so you will see what's coming from me next. I do not have a schedule just yet, but I am trying to perfect one. Just keep working with me, and yeah, so I will see you guys definitely in the next one.